My name is Riley Bukite, and I'm going over the Solar Suitcase project. The Solar Suitcase project is from the company called We Share Solar, which comes in a rugged box like this. These boxes can be used to withstand the elements. This is called a classroom set specifically. Southeast Service Cooperative has 30 cases, so eventually if you decide that you want to implement the curriculum into your school, there is a link that you can follow with Southeast Service Cooperative to fill out a form, and you can say when you want to take it. What this involves is there's a schematic to follow to build the motherboard, and eventually you're going to add in more cables for a solar panel, which you can then take outside and do some tests with. That involves things like a multimeter, and you're able to see amperage, voltage, and you can figure out how much power each thing is producing. This entire curriculum is meant to help kids learn about electricity, but if you choose, you can send a solar suitcase overseas to Eastern Africa, places like Uganda or Kenya, where my school, who has gone with 180 students, has sent 2 solar suitcases, one to Kenya and one to Uganda, to help out with people who do not have electricity.